Bonjour, ¿cómo estás? Just call me Miguel. Yeah, it's the sense that of the former MLB Triple Crown winner Miguel Cabrera, one of my favorite baseball players. Further, I am an officially qualified English teacher with more than 10-year experience in teaching GEPT, TOEIC, and college entrance examination, and the like. The video is not mainly for my self-introduction, but to let you know what my English sounds like. My students, how about that? And come on, don't just stay there. Contact me if you want to improve your English proficiency. As for the further details of my resume, you may well refer to the website or just immediately contact me. I'll be waiting for you. See ya.